Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to make some sort of like Google search with Mozilla Firefox or even like Google itself. So over here, the first thing you're gonna do, I'm gonna start from scratch. So as you can see here, you're gonna type search for, and you're gonna put this asterisk over here, as you can see. I'm gonna put that in the link in the description so that you can just copy paste it. Once you do this, you're gonna go to others. You're gonna go to Windows. You're gonna click Run Application over here, but I'm not gonna do it because it's already here. So imagine that you click that. So the first thing you're gonna go over here to browse application. So if you doing Firefox, then you're gonna click, you're gonna find Firefox, which is in program file. Usually it will be in program file. So if I go to program file over here, and you're gonna go to program data. So here, this is a hidden file. So if you don't see this, then you cannot do it. But if you want to see this, then you have to go into your window. You're gonna click File, right? You're gonna click File Explorer option over here. You're gonna go to View, and over here it says Show Hidden Files, Folder, and Drive. So you're gonna click this, and you click OK. Then when you come back over here, you should see Program Data. Once you come over here, you're gonna find Microsoft. You're gonna go to Window, and you're gonna go to Start Menu, Programs. And if you go all the way down, you should see Firefox over here or Google Chrome, as you can see. So you choose one of the two, of course. So once you pick your browser, you're gonna copy paste this thing over here, which I'm gonna leave in the description, so you can just copy paste it as well. So you're gonna copy this over here, right? And don't touch anything else. You're gonna click OK. You're gonna click OK, but I'm not gonna click OK because I already done it, which is over here. So see, I already have it over here. So you're just gonna click OK, 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 OK. There we go. And you're gonna click Apply, right? And you're gonna click Done. Now we're gonna make a test and see if it works. So you're gonna make sure that you click your browser over here, right? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna say search for whatever, and it's gonna search for whatever, right? So here we go. Search for boots. There you go. Search for knives. Wait, oh, sorry, I have to click this. Boom, you have to click this. Search for knives. Knights. So yeah, sometimes it depends on your pronunciation. So here it says knights. Let me see. Search for Trump. What? Trumpy. Oh, okay. It does not understand Trump. It didn't understand Trump like Donald Trump, but it's okay. Okay, wait. Search for Donald Trump. There we go. Yeah, you have to say his first name, because if you just say like Trump, it may consider it as another word. So depending on your, I don't know, it depends on, on your pronunciation and if there's any other option for that. Let me see. Search for planet Earth. There you go. So there you go. So the only inconvenience in this is that it's going to open multiple new windows. I don't know how to actually make a search in the actual bar over here. Maybe if I click over here, let me see if I click here. Search for flowers. No, yeah, it opens a new windows. Yeah. So yeah, that's the only thing. So I'm gonna try to figure out how to open it in the actual window without having to open a new one. You can also open, let's say, YouTube application if you want to. So it's the same. It's a little bit the same process, but it's not the same thing. I already did it over here. So you're gonna go to New Command. You're gonna click Open YouTube. So you don't put any asterisks over here. This is a different thing, right? So Other, Window, Run Application. You're gonna find Mozilla or Google. I'm gonna go with Mozilla again, and then you're gonna put over here. You're gonna put www.youtube.com, right? And if you want to make a test, just do test. There it is. YouTube is open. Click OK. Click OK. Whoops! I cannot do it because I already did it before. Sorry about that. So as you can see, I already have it over here. So same thing. The parameter is done, right? Click OK, apply, make sure you click done. There we go. And when you come back over here, you can say open YouTube. Open YouTube. There we go.